Hey there, my name is Bhagyesh Patel. Today I will be showing you how to install MySQL on Docker. So for this we will create a container from MySQL image using the docker container run command along with some parameters. At first we will provide a name for the container. Second, we will pass the environment variable root password. Third, we will bind the ports. First one will be the host port, whereas second one is Docker port. At last, we will be providing image name and specific version. Giving no version or using latest tag are not good practice. Now our MySQL container is created. We can stop container using docker stop command. And we can start it back with docker start command. We can open MySQL shell using following command, and we can do command line changes here. We can also create a container using docker compose file instead of using command. I will add link to the docker compose file in the description. So that's all about this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.